Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohail with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make MCCB Simple Wiring Diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. 4-pole MCCB circuit breaker. Upper part 5 single pole circuit breaker. Middle part total 5 single pole MCB circuit breaker, and down part total 5 single pole circuit breakers. Phase connection connected to MCCB circuit breaker input point. Phase connection outgoing from MCCB circuit breaker and connect to the lower part MCCB circuit breaker and output to load. Second phase connection to MCCB circuit breaker. The second phase connection connect to middle part MCB all circuit breakers and output for load. Third phase connection to MCCB circuit breaker. Third phase connection outgoing from MCCB circuit breaker to connect with upper part 5 MCB circuit breaker to load. Neutral connection to MCCB circuit breaker and neutral wire for all output, all load. Now this circuit is ready for use. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.